the 2019 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.